gesture and allowing this meeting. It was a very pleasant one, and my mother was basically very happy to see me in a good state. My physical fitness, and she was really very satisfied and felt very, she said also, I am feeling very relaxed after seeing you. I am satisfied. She said a dua, which is among the Hindus very common for me. I said, don't worry, Mummy, now you are happy. I have had so many things. My diet is very beautiful. I have done a very good thing here, and they have taken care of me. They have not harmed me. They have not touched me. She believed once she saw me personally. But I have to say one thing very important here for the Indian public and the Indian crowd and the Indian government and people in Navy, that my commission is not gone. I am a commissioned officer of the Indian Navy, and my mother and my wife have been briefed very strongly. They were being told, I saw fear in the eyes of my mother and my wife. Why should there be fear? Whatever has happened has happened. There shouldn't be fear in the eyes of my mother and my wife. They have been threatened. The Indian diplomat or the Indian person who had come along with my mother was shouting on my mother the moment she stepped out, or she was yelling at her. Had she been brought under threat here to meet me? This gesture was a positive gesture so that she feels happy, I feel happy. And there is the Indian diplomat or some person standing outside yelling at her. We in India and Pakistan are supposed to subsequently forget our enmity and go in a positive direction, or it is supposed to keep on hanging around and lingering around like this? Why am I commissioned and that